Hey everybody, hope y'all are having an amazing day. So today we are in the house, but I just came from outside. So I heard thunder and I was like, man, it's about to rain. What's going on? Because it's been brutally hot all day. And when I looked at the weather, of course we have thunderstorms coming. It's actually raining now as we speak. So I hurried up and went outside and I decided to 2 days ago, I took out all of the onions that I had in my black green stock because they were not doing anything. They weren't thriving. They were intermediate day onions, but to be fair, I have intermediate day onions in my other green stock and throughout my garden they're doing fabulous. There's no issue with those onions. They look great. But for some particular reason, that green stock, I think it was me. When I was going through it today, it was kind of dry. It was dried out. It's just, and I don't think that whereas I always properly, fertilized. I didn't fertilize that like I should have. So let me just get that out the way. So I went on ahead and pulled those onions, and then I have replaced that green stock with Roma 2 bush beans from Haas. I know y'all like, how many beans you gonna plant? A lot of them. We like green beans in this house, and I wanted to make sure I had enough to go through the winter so that by the time next spring and summer come and I plant out my first thing of green beans, I will still have at least 2 or 3 jars of green beans left so that I'm not trying to I'll have enough left to carry me into next summer. That's my goal, is to have enough green beans for the until the fall next year. So I planted these out in just a nick of time, and I planted my entire black green stock out. I do have one tier of my black green stock on my deck with some onions in it, and I had like 2 missing pockets, so I went on ahead and planted some there. And then in my green stock, the first one that I ever purchased, I planted some in that one also because I initially planted some beans in there, but they didn't all mature. And I know it's because we've been in a drought and we're not allowed to uh, water our gardens and stuff except on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But I water mine anyway. But anyway, so with that being said, I didn't water it like I should have, trying to be good, and so a lot of it didn't grow. So now I'll definitely be taking care of it because I don't want it to have any issues. But I don't want this video to be long, so I want to show you guys this. Sorry for shaking y'all. The next thing I plan to grow, because I cleaned out part of my garden where I had the corn. I went on ahead and cleaned that out and got rid of all that stuff. And then I cleaned up where I had my garlic. That's cleaned out because the garlic is out. And so the next thing I plan to plant to keep my garden rotating is okra. I'm not a big fan of okra, but my husband and my sisters and my mom, a lot of my family is. And so I want to make sure I rotate in okra. So I'm going to be planting some red burgundy okra. I'm also going to plant some Jambalaya 2.0 okra. I'm going to be planting some Lone Pot Perkins okra. And then I'm going to be planting some Jing Orange okra. And so I'm going to plant those 4 types of okra in my garden as well. And that's it. I think I have rotated my garden enough. I do have some tomato plants that are in buckets that are growing. And I need to rotate those inside of the main garden and out of the buckets or the smaller pots. I need to take those in because I grew them just in case I was going to have issues and have to up pot some of my current tomatoes. Y'all, I hear something on failed. I don't know. I think it's at my neighbor's house. But anyway, so that's all I want to share with you all. If you're not rotating your garden, because I had to pull my squash, both squash plants died, but I have enough squash for me and my family for what I want. I have my spaghetti squash that's still growing strong. I have my watermelon plants that are growing strong. So things like that, we're just rotating, and so I'm super happy about it. I'm excited about the garden. I hope you guys are. Before I go, let me tell you guys, this is my homesteader shirt. If you would like one of these, please make sure you go to Garden with Sophia. I will definitely link her in this video, and I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Happy Sunday.